Do you need to hire an electrician to make repairs in your home, or are you looking to install an electric device? Our team of electricians is highly trained and skilled to handle all your electrical needs. You can always be sure of reliable and safe work in your home or business. Our professionals supply electrical repairs, installation and service. Adding an outlet, an extra switch, surge protection, or smoke detectors enhances the quality of life in your home, and it can also help to ensure your safety. Our job is to make your life easier, safer and more comfortable. If you want the job to be done right on time and with a level of attention to detail, you won't find it anywhere else. And we invite you to call us and get the best and most experienced electrician to serve you. Get a free consult.